Hi, we're gonna unbox a USB cable I got from banggoods.com. Here it is. It's a USB-C, and this is the package it came with. I'm not sure how much it is. The price will be in the descriptions below, and I'll have a link too. It's a Floveme USB-C. Here's the information. Let's see. So it comes with a weird tape bottom one, and I'm not sure why is it zipped. That even matters. So let's see. Oh, cool. It's the USB C with a spring. So let's see. Let's take a look. Let's extension or something. Oh my gosh, I can't talk for today. So let's see if it works and stuff. Here it is. It's not dual-sided, which is annoying, but yeah, there's very few of those. So here's a pen. Let's compare it to, and that's how far. It's pretty. Let's see, pretty long. Let's see if I can hold it. Yep, that's about it. So let's see. Let me plug it in and let's see how it works. One minute. Okay. Here's a battery. Here's a USB-C. The only thing I have as a USB is my camera right now, which I'm using, so I can't plug that one in. So here it is. So let's plug it in. See if it works. Yep. Looks like it works. It's charging too. So yeah. So if you have any questions or anything, descriptions and links will be in the bottom below. And I just need an extension cord for my stuff, so yeah. So here it is. So thanks for watching.